The next phase of this process requires me to step out of my shoes as the initiator and step into the shoes of someone who is receiving this email. So what I'm actually going to do is switch computers here and become the recipient of this so that I can show what happens on the receiving end. Now, here I am, I'm on a different computer. In fact, I'm on a Macintosh, not a Windows machine, and I'm playing the role of the person who has been asked to review this document. You can see that I have in my mail application a message, and if I select the message, it says, "Do this today." That's the same message that I just sent, and there's an attachment. To continue with the process, I'll just click on the attachment, and it opens in Acrobat, and I'll expand this so that it fills the screen. It does a couple of things automatically for me, basically to help me if I'm new to this process. It opens the comment and markup toolset, and it opens the how-to panel over here. And let me move this toolset just so that it's out of the way. It opens the how-to panel to give me a set of instructions so that if this is the first time I've done this, I've got the information I need to participate in this review without having to call the initiator and ask for help. The good news is that this also happens in the free reader, so this isn't just an Acrobat thing. If I sent this to someone with the free reader, they're also going to get these comment and markup tools they may not have known even existed, and they're going to get the free help that they need. So I'm going to close this up because I know how to use these tools, and I'll just add a very quick note to this file. I'll use the highlight tool to highlight some text. When I've completed my markup of the document, all I need to do is click on Send Comments. Acrobat will produce an outgoing message from this computer back to the person who sent it in the first place. Remember, I sent this as guest1@totaltraining.com. Because this is a part of this review cycle, Acrobat knew this, and Acrobat gives me the ability to edit the subject of the email and the message. I'm going to change this to, "I did it today," and then click Send. This is an outgoing message from within my mail application. I'll click Send. Now, Acrobat is kind of hopping up and down here, and I'll click on it to show you why. Actually, I'll just Command-Tab over to it. Acrobat is just notifying me that the message was sent over to my mail application and that I may need to send the message manually. I've already done that, so I'm going to click OK. And then Acrobat will sort of quiet down because it knows that I've done what I was asked to do. Now, the one last thing that I'll do is Command-Tab back to Mail, and I'm going to click on the Sent option. I just want to make sure that something was in fact sent. This is what it was. I did it today. It's the right message. It was sent. It should be on its way to the initiator. Now, I'm back in the role of the initiator. I'm back on my Windows machine, and all I need to do is click Send and Receive. And here comes the email. And if I go to my inbox, you can see that Guest2 has sent me an email. It says, "I did it today," and there's an attachment. Now watch what happens when I double-click this attachment. Because I sent this document from this copy of Acrobat to somebody, they added their comments to it. Acrobat knows that. Acrobat's got a good memory. Acrobat's asking me if I want to import the comments from this or merge the comments from this document back into the document that I sent in the first place. And yes, I do. It tells me that that has happened. I'll click OK. Acrobat kind of sets itself up because it thinks probably I'm going to begin the process of working with these comments. So it gives me the comment and markup tools, tells me how to receive them from an email-based review, and it even opens up this little panel down here to allow me to manage the comments. Everybody in the review cycle to whom I sent the document via email will, if they do their job, send me back a set of comments that will all pour back into this one document. That's an incredibly powerful tool for bringing together the comments of many, many people into one document.